Good morning, students. We are doing chapter number 3, that is classification of elements and periodic properties. Atomic radius, ionic radius, isoelectronic series, how atomic and ionic radius changes in a group and period that we had completed. Now we have to start with another periodic property, and that is ionization enthalpy. First we'll do what is ionization enthalpy, how it changes in a group and in period. Okay, ionization enthalpy or ionization energy. It is denoted as delta IH. This is called ionization enthalpy. I stands for ionization enthalpy. First we'll study what is ionization enthalpy. It is energy required to remove an electron from neutral gaseous atom, because electrons are in attraction with the nucleus. So if we want to remove electron from atom, then we have to overcome that attraction which exists between electron and the nucleus. So for that, energy is required. That required energy to remove electron completely from neutral gaseous atom is known as ionization enthalpy. Suppose we have, this is gaseous atom. If you want to remove one electron from it, it will become gaseous ion. The energy required for this process is known as ionization enthalpy. So what is ionization enthalpy? It is the energy required to remove valence electron from neutral gaseous atom. From neutral gaseous atom बहुत जरूरी है. Neutral gaseous atom, not solid. It should be gaseous atom. It is energy required. So enthalpy change is endothermic process, and delta H will be positive. It is endothermic, and delta H value will be positive because energy is required to remove the electron from the last orbit. Clear? It is endothermic process. It is the energy required to remove electron from the last orbit. Suppose this is the atom. This is valence orbit of this atom. Here the valence electron is there. If you want to remove this electron from this atom, because this electron is in attraction with the nucleus, so if energy is given to this atom, and this electron will be removed. Phenomenon is known as ionization. Energy required for that is known as ionization energy. This ionization enthalpy or ionization energy is also known as first ionization enthalpy, because we are removing first electron from the last orbit. So it is also known as first ionization enthalpy, delta IH1. Suppose we want to remove second electron from this gaseous ion, then it forms diatomic ion, valent gaseous ion. Again the energy will be required. That required energy is called second ionization enthalpy. If you want to remove second electron from gaseous ion, energy required is known as second ionization enthalpy. Suppose we want to remove third electron from divalent gaseous ion, then it becomes trivalent ion. Now the energy required is called third ionization enthalpy. And so on, if we keep on removing electron, then they are called successive ionization enthalpies. When you are removing first electron from neutral atom, it is first ionization energy. Suppose we are removing second electron from unipositive ion, it is called second ionization enthalpy. If you remove electron from divalent cation to get trivalent ion, the energy required is known as third ionization enthalpies. Now there is one question, successive ionization enthalpies goes on increasing. What is the reason? Successive ionization enthalpies goes on increasing. What it means? First ionization enthalpy is less compared to second ionization enthalpy. Second is more compared to third ionization enthalpy. Third ionization enthalpy is more compared to fourth ionization enthalpy, and so on forth. Means as you move, the successive ionization enthalpies goes on increasing always. What is the reason? Why it is so? The reason is, suppose we take an example of any atom, sodium, potassium, calcium, whatever be. When the atom is neutral, at that time, number of electrons is equal to number of proton, because it is neutral atom. But when one electron is removed, unipositive ion is formed. If you are removing electron from this unipositive ion, then what will happen? M2 plus will be formed. Here, number of electrons are less compared to proton. एक इलेक्ट्रॉन निकल गया, तो नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन कम होंगे कंपेयर टू नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन. So less electrons, more attraction toward the nucleus. If electrons are more attracted toward the nucleus, then it will be difficult to remove the electron. So second ionization enthalpy is more. Suppose this is 100 joule, 100 kilojoule per mole. Then for second ionization enthalpy, it is 500 kilojoule per mole. It is more, because more energy is required to remove the electron. Why more energy is required? Because electrons are less compared to proton. Here electron proton are same, तो electron proton में attraction appropriate होगा. यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन कम हो गए, प्रोटॉन ज्यादा हो गए न्यूक्लियस में. तो अगर न्यूक्लियस में प्रोटॉन ज्यादा हो गए, तो वो इलेक्ट्रॉन को ज्यादा टाइटली होल्ड करेंगे, तो इलेक्ट्रॉन आसानी से बाहर नहीं निकलेगा. मतलब आयनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी विल बी मोर. सपोज वी वांट टू रिमूव नाउ थर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन, M2 प्लस गैसियस માંથી થર્ડ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન રિમૂવ કરીએ આપણે, M3 પ્લસ બને. थर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव करवा માટે स्टिल नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन लेस. अब तो ज्यादा कम हो गए, एक निकल गया ऑलरेडी, वेरी लेस कंपेयर टू नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन. देन एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड विल बी स्टिल मोर, और ज्यादा हो जाएगी. नाउ इट इज 1500 किलोजूल पर मोल. एज वी कीप ऑन रिमूविंग इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, the remaining electrons become decrease, becomes less. So less electron, more attraction, energy required will be more. तो क्या होता है reason? During ionization, successive ionization, during successive ionization, number of electrons decreases, but proton remain same. Protons remain same. So attraction more, attraction more, attraction more, more energy required. Attraction more, so more energy is required. More energy required to remove the electron. More energy required means ionization enthalpy more. So on successive ionization, ionization enthalpy keep on increasing. Keep in mind that always this concept will be there for all the blocks we will study one by one. S block, P block, બધા માં કામ આવશે. So always first ionization enthalpy is less than second, second is more than first, third ionization enthalpy still more than second, fourth is still more than third, like this. So successive ionization enthalpies goes on increasing. Clear? Now what happened to the ionization enthalpy when we move down the group? Change in ionization enthalpy in a group. Periodicity in ionization enthalpy in a group. In periodic table, if we move down the group, top to bottom, ionization enthalpy decreases. What is the reason? As we move from top to bottom in a group, ionization enthalpy always decreases. What is the reason? See, suppose we consider first group element. First group, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. I am considering francium because it is radioactive element. Its atomic number is 3, 11, 19, 37, 55 and 87. If we write its configuration, it would be helium 2s1. This would be neon 3s1. Its valence shell configuration, argon 4s1, krypton 5s1, xenon 6s1, and radon 7s1. Valence shell have one electron in first group element. All the elements have one electron in their last orbit. Now, as we move from lithium to cesium, ionization enthalpy decreases. Why it decreases from top to bottom in a group? The reason is, as we move top to bottom, atomic radius increases. Top to bottom, atomic radius increases. Why atomic radius increase? Because number of orbit increase. Atomic radius increases. Why atomic radius increase? Number of orbit increase. Why number of orbit increase? How do we know that number of orbit increases? Principal quantum number of valence shell increase. See here, principal quantum number 2, here 3, here 4, here 5. So atomic number of orbit increase. How do we know that number of orbit increase? Principal quantum number n value for valence shell increases. For valence shell increases. That's why attraction of electron toward the nucleus will be less. So attraction of electron towards the nucleus decrease. Towards the nucleus decreases, and hence ionization enthalpy decreases. So top to bottom, always ionization enthalpy will be less because the size is big. Suppose we have two atoms. This is first atom. We want to remove electron from the last orbit. This is second atom. It is quite big. We want to remove electron from this atom. Which electron will be easy to remove? Obvious, this one, because distance of electron toward the nucleus is more. Sorry, distance is more. So electron attraction less. Distance વધારે છે તો electron attraction ઓછું. ઓછા attraction માં ઓછી energy આપીને તમે electron કાઢી શકો. આમાં distance of electron and nucleus is less. So this electron is more attracted toward the nucleus. So it will be difficult to remove. So ionization enthalpy depends on atomic radius. As atomic radius is more, it will be easy to remove the electron. Second factor है इसमें screening effect. आप टॉप टू बॉटम मूव करते हैं तो नंबर ऑफ ऑर्बिट्स इंक्रीज होते जाते हैं. जैसे इसमें सपोज दो ही ऑर्बिट है, इसमें बहुत सारे ऑर्बिट्स हैं. ये ऑर्बिट सारे फिल्ड है इलेक्ट्रॉन से. ये ऑर्बिट के इलेक्ट्रॉन्स क्या करते हैं? इनर ऑर्बिट इलेक्ट्रॉन्स दे form shield or screen for this valence electron. So due to this screening effect, attraction of electron toward the nucleus will be less. આ electron નું nucleus તરફ attraction ઓછું થઈ જાય. એક ક્લાઉડ જેવો electron નું ક્લાઉડ બનાવે. inner electrons એક ક્લાઉડ બનાવે ન્યુક્લિયસ ઉપર. એટલે છેલ્લા electron નું ન્યુક્લિયસ તરફ attraction ઓછું થઈ જાય. જેટલા વધારે અંદર ઓર્બિટ્સ હશે, ફિલ્ડ ઓર્બિટ્સ, એટલું સ્ક્રીનિંગ ઇફેક્ટ વધારે. વધારે સ્ક્રીનિંગ ઇફેક્ટના લીધે ક્લાઉડ એક્સપાન્ડ થાય. એટલે આ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન દૂર જાય. એ દૂર જાય એટલે attraction ઓછું. It will be very easy to remove the electron. So as we move top to bottom, screening effect increase, attraction of electron toward the nucleus decrease. So it will be very easy to remove the electron, and hence ionization enthalpy will be decreases. So always top to bottom, ionization enthalpy decreases. That's why in second chapter we had done photoelectric effect. In that photoelectric effect, best photoelectric effect is shown by potassium, rubidium and cesium. What's the reason? Their ionization enthalpy is very less. If we incident light on them, electron will be ejected out. That is called photoelectric effect. तो सबसे अच्छा photoelectric effect कौन देता है? cesium. Simple, अगर आप light incident करोगे, valence electron will move out because size is very big, attraction of electron toward the nucleus very less. So on falling light on it, the electron will be removed. That's why potassium, rubidium and cesium they are used to make photovoltaic cell. इसका कैथोड बनाते हैं, लाइट इस पे इंसिडेंट होता है, इलेक्ट्रॉन बाहर आ जाता है, सर्किट कंप्लीट होता है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस हो जाती है. पोटेशियम, रुबिडियम एंड सीजियम दे आर यूज्ड इन फोटोवोल्टिक सेल या सोलर सेल्स में यूज होता है. ओके, दिस वे ionization enthalpy decrease as we move from top to bottom in a period. Not only in first group alkali metals, in whole periodic table, as you move top to bottom, always ionization enthalpy decreases. Clear? Cesium is the biggest element in the periodic table. सबसे बड़ी साइज वाला एलिमेंट पीरियोडिक टेबल में कौन है? सीजियम है. इसलिए सीजियम का आयोनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी सबसे कम होता है. पूरी पीरियोडिक टेबल में लीस्ट आयोनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी वाला एलिमेंट कौन है? दैट इज सीजियम. ओके, in next video we will talk about ionization enthalpy, how it changes in a period. Okay, till then beta bye.